What up, Ghana? What up, West Africa? This is your boy, the Fresh Boy, Papa J, the entertainment ambassador. I'm your regular host for EnterChat. EnterChat, a program I did bring my celebrities. It didn't come on.
Bats, get it, EnterChat.
My God is in here. EnterChat.
Aha, EnterChat. We didn't Papa Kumasi.
Keep watching EnterChat. Oh, Lord of mercy.
EnterChat here and some Cassier.
And it's this show, EnterChat. Don't go anywhere, though.
We share EnterChat.
Do you believe in prophecy?
I do, I'm a Christian.
What is going on in and outside their life? Ahani busa and semina. One kasa, they be out to ultimate emusano.
I'm not supposed to watch this schedule.
Me now know me later. And they call me Eugene. What's up with your rockstar? Call me Eugene and keep watching EnterChat. Don't go anywhere. Rockstar. Yeah.
All right, it's a great day, and then so you say a shabium on EnterChat. And I share your baby din komo. Say Brebiano. Mama ni mne course e show we say ye rem ne Kwaku for personality. Aba na na be din komo. Na musumo hu ne e course e wo na brabo ne ye rem Kwaku for papa ba ko a ye ka movies in Ghana. Wa bone ho modern papa or your producer or your director or your actor or your script writer. And say anything about movie be money or experience kakra ewomu. And I had number anybody din komo na yahwe nyama ekoso. Because the show a time herbal mixture and aso yasna ye de ebro. Na say na wo hwe matade hye me fefefe ya Mousse Afrique clothing. Omone pam matade ya hye me kama it is say bia open wedding dress African wear seat kwa na so pam bia wo bia no o from am betimi apam e de abro nti from Mousse Afrique e wo 0558 410818. As time goes on, you be do omo nkomo bebre na so hu de ekoso e wo show no so nti me ko na mama me guest no akwaba na ye de nkomo no aba hyehyɛ so yɛda mo asese abrebia no mo hwɛ show we na muguso a mo hye yen kra nyame enhyɛ obia yenko na yɛma ye guest na akwaba na afei no yenni nkomo director akwaba bacho boko de
ajala ndo ma bibia boko
yɛda nyame ase me amehwɛ de we a ositi am timi sɛ bibia kama pa
oh adomna
well director aha ye frɛ wo ba na ye di nkomo na yebesi ye huniama ekoso ewo mo mabraba mo kwa mo fa so mo hye mabraba asina eno so boa ma obi wo ho na oba itimi motivate o mo kwan bebre so enti in a brief no me person ka obebo wudin na waka ho ase wacha wase kakra e de ache ne de komo no ato
okay Mediane Kwaku Twumasi.
Yeah.
I don't want it to change.
Yeah.
I want it to remain.
Yeah.
I believe in my native name. I believe in Africa.
Yeah.
Now, second question was about myself. No, everybody also. Unless you prompt me on which area, that I go to the area. Okay. In that case, I'm
Kumasi here.
Yes. Na hono your friend knew I'm near the Angonajum.
Oh, okay.
You be who I'm friend sir. And from there, I moved to stadium area, Asquamekum.
Okay.
Almost the same area because free I want to continue tower. Now called stadium area no.
Yeah.
And such a near friend was Asquamekum. And from there, we move to Asqua, yes. Okay. After Asquano, and I call Bokrum Estate. Bokrum Krona.
Oh, okay.
San Estate.
Okay.
And after Bokrum, no, I'm a bar, Patasi. And I moved from Patasi to Ahenemakokobe. And as I say, no, Ahenemakokobe and I'm
and I was to say, school, so Okono,
school, I started school in Asafo, New Asafo, LA.
Oh, okay.
New Asafo Local Authority Primary School. I'm calling the middle school.
Okay.
And Hono, I'm a year common entrance call. Real Amas, Amasphobia.
Okay.
TI, my dear secondary school, Kumasi. And from there, I'm called Konogu Dumasi.
Okay.
And after Konogu Dumasi, there has been some short courses here and there.
Okay.
Just to upgrade my knowledge.
All right. Oh, Director, growing up as a man, what Shabrabo is saying?
Sometimes when I look back, I don't know where I can draw the line between being a boy and being a man.
Okay.
Because after school, no. Actually, I did science in school, but now science in here. Now I was also interested in stage work.
Oh, okay.
Until now, stage work school. But then I think there's a man who used to lecture now at the KNUST.
Okay.
No, a math teacher. When I didn't start stage.
Okay.
And later on, another man, Mr. Friend Computer.
Okay.
Computer, but I've forgotten the real name. And the honor, my father said, the interest in acting, no, and after that, no, me yes, my baby to train myself.
Okay.
And me who say culture center, the groups we are more that kind of thing. That is Chamatin Playhouse and Anoche Players.
Okay.
So I joined them.
Okay.
One was free, one was English. And me call Chamatin Playhouse for some time. And one I'm directing, because directing on stage is sometimes I would say difficult than directing
on
a
stage
movie.
is difficult, directing a movie. All right. Directing on stage is difficult than directing a movie. Yebeba na yeko commercial break. Yeba say the second part na ba beto so na ye wura en komo na nkasa pa yi na afi no mo honi ensem na nkasa esiti ye nkɔ ne mrazisi a.
Ebra, if I shop na me hwa de o bag.
Bra, ade, enna so biem.
Na tell me about me share me see you back queen why me say.
Bra, said the time about Mr. Esia Jimmy ni me fie for enya dia ba ko pe ebe so ye.
We dey do this so fa ni nyina.
Bra, se me ka se me di time about Mr. ho dance ya. Riase nyina ebe te me nka. Enti se malaria, we dra ni time about Mr.
Enya nu ko die na nu mato a wontumi ani die no. We dra ni time about Mr. Edre enye ma oba wa fa afuro. Die wo ma akoda no fo. Ene akoda woni mfie dumienu. Ansa na obeto time about Mr. Edre ibi no. Hwe se wako hospital anasa lab am wo hu se wo a 3-day malaria ibi ansa.
En Crossway Food and Drugs Board for Agiatu. Kayo se time ni TIME. Time about Mr. Afi malaria fever bi adani ziba ewo mu no.
All right, we are back from that commercial break. And come on, because Papa we are no. And someone cost in the movie industry ni munyi na mebusa no. Na minim say why ready say oni e be din come on watch any am bebre na yesu bebre. And the director say no what be directing
Acting,
and the movie
stage management. I was doing everything. Even drumming and dancing and everything. I mean, anything culture that I think I could learn by then, I got myself.
The creative arts, no?
Yes. And do webinar, introduce videos, you know, that is shooting videos in drama, no.
Okay.
That is when we got involved. That was the very first production in Kumasi. I think Be Vigilant, that was done by Miracle Films. Then, when he was working on Be Vigilant, I was also working on another drama with the title Murder in the City.
Murder in the City.
Yes.
Okay.
By then, not and yet easy said, then we are to online. I don't know. It was very difficult to come out or release a movie then. So I shot the movie for some time. By that then, for some time, they released, you know, no adverts, no promotion, we couldn't even sell.
There's about out, all right.
About out.
Video.
A video.
Okay. But that time, when Timmy and sell it. When Timmy keep being so to baby.
Oh, I have a copy.
Oh, okay.
I have a copy in T.
Okay.
And that is where movies started for me.
The when I was starting movie.
Yes.
That are not all acting.
I was acting.
Oh, okay.
But interestingly enough, when we were doing the movie, everybody who was involved in the movie, you know, haven't done anything like that before. And you know, say the camera because white, me say in your images through the camera, and we are going to use the images to tell our stories, like when we're on stage. And stage aspect, featured prominently. Yeah. But at the end of the day, it came out very best. And about almost 4 hours production, there was not a single scene that we crossed.
Okay.
Because we didn't know anything about movies. Now easy say over cross the line, and now it is not bad. But and then I mean what I'm about. And when I watch the movie, I see only one crossing. And it was in a very small room.
Okay.
And moving the camera to another position, easy for you to cross than even to get the right in.
Oh, okay.
And I think we did a human job then.
Those days,
yes, made in the city. I wish one of the TV stations will show for people to appreciate it.
I think way back now.
You can compare it. Yes. I would have wished before we did okay. We don't know anything. That time you should do a VHS. Into should do VHS. No what to watch if you be a chat 20 minutes. So they be searching for a scene, not it was a tedious job. It took us more than 1 year to be able to shoot and put them together.
Oh, okay.
So that time, no, first time, I say, do so started in Ghana. And Tina,
do so we are now.
Oh, said don't so the above brain. Do so above brain. I had to tell some more.
Do because we are doing so.
Yeah, we are.
Okay.
That time, no, I think. I'm saying JJ Nana was Bibisa. I checked in the late 70s. Late 80s, mana 90s. No, by 80s, I was in school. The late 90s was when I ventured into that.
You know, first movie I want to
direct here, act here.
Okay.
Other things, lighting in the because Obinim, into those now I like the CSC. I say hi to Tunga that is how we got it. But I think we did a good job. I look at it today and I said, I'm proud of what I did.
But that I am now, into the beginning. Into the movie industry proper, you benya sound, you benya boom mic, cameras, pictures near the other. Movie ben or the shots if you hold
I think after Murder in the City, I moved in with Miracle Films.
Okay.
And then we started making movies together.
Miracle movie ben
that was I remember your mother now. And we did about collaborations with Nigerians, We did about 3 movies, which was directed by Ifeanyi Oyabo.
Yeah.
And then some other guy, I forgot the name. Until after I know the venture into Sika. Sika. Yeah, that was a story about Eku Sika and Androids. And then we move on to do Kumasi Yonko. The part 1, and then it went on and on. So I've been working with Miracle Films until but now I was mostly working for Miracle Films.
Kumasi Yonko movie. A movie I made was a
lot of people.
Very powerful story.
Also, at that time, we took time in coming out with a story. Stories that can be identified. The people can identify with. If I brought some near there. And the idea be too before was those times productions were planned before we go.
Those times productions were planned.
Yes, properly. Because no. Well, I don't know. I'm talking from what I know.
Okay.
Because that time Miracle can put about 4 or 5 in a hotel, 4 or 5 people in a hotel. Now the story number. Then early in the morning we sit down and deliberate on the story. And see how we can go about it. You can imagine. So all the people will be paid for the time we are doing the script.
It's a script conference.
And the young conferencing when be necessary answer Emrano. Now to me related to it in whichever form that you like.
It's a this time being
I think some people still make the effort, but I say Poleeno does
as in movies are
as in movies, adults. Because a lot of people want to come into the industry, but they don't use the right thing. They don't pass through the right channel. They think that by shooting anything at all, they can come and compete. Because even if you use 1 billion cedis in shooting a movie, you still come back to the same market, and and share with somebody who use some, not even money, just shoot anything behind the walls and other things. You come to the market and it's the same price. And because everybody is afraid to invest heavily, because we be competing with people who can do some commentary to make people laugh. And so it's not about the quality or the standard of the movie, but as to maybe just the comedy aspect of it. People are interested and they buy. So they think that the standard of selling is comedy. So instead of doing a good job technically to make sure that we upgrade ourselves, it was not happening. That is why at the point in time we dropped.
No,
we are not prepared to learn. We are not prepared to learn because the rate at which movie industry is growing outside our country, is amazing. But we are comfortable in a comfortable zone, not doing anything about it as a country, as an industry, and as individuals. What do we do to improve upon ourselves of the work that we do? But self-review be said the next year 10 years back, it's almost the same thing. But even equipments keep on changing. The industry is changing. And how are we changing? Even in marketing aspect of it, it be a visit the new because you free VCD, call DVD, call Blu-ray, sana. People are now watching 3D. Now it's also VCD. And definitely you don't expect to make any progress when you stay at one place.
Well, I
think that people are not interested in learning.
All right.
Once office over corset, when him action and cat cano, I think he thinks the majority of the work has been done. And to when you action and cat is not so
all right, that time me back and come maybe economy any ajipa. Me call for another commercial break. Me ba ye den come no e ba beto. So time haba measure malaria dura bodjuma organa ha pa nti uko be e ton aduro bia also per time haba measure ne bi utumi ni di wonu mu ato o yo ba ko mfichire e baye wadura ne time haba measure kone koji bi yes abasisia.
If I shop, I'm not sure you're bag.
Bra, and not so good.
Not tell me about Michelle and see about Queen. Why you mean say?
Bra, said your time about Mister. It's your Jimmy fearful, and you're about ever so.
Really, I know this offending now.
Bra, so make us a maybe time about Mister Juan Dancia. We are singing now about Timinka. It is some malaria. Where do any time about Mister?
And you know, dear, no more to I want to meet any deal. Where do any time about Mister? A drink and your ma or bar waffle through. The woman akwadano for any akwada woni mfie dumienu ansa na obeto town heba Mr. Drebino hwese wako hospital anasa lab am wo hu se wo a 3-day malaria bi ansa
and Crossway Food and Drugs Board for Ajiatu kayo se time me TIME time heba Mr. afi malaria fever bi adani ziba ewo mu no ebetra
na no pe na obetra kakra
oh David ready aye brekunam yedi ne show bibi abako
na anopai
we dey boni bi ani se bi boni kura mpanyufo si kitem ni age ne saa na asema me de bai akoye huhuro ni awo efa baabi ede efa baabi so nyede se ahwede enko baabi wo asemo enye problem mane wa argument wo dey say o ti problem wo ni ase therefore na so ma me wo se me meka nkyerɛw wo se se bi o bi ase enimtie ya nso abanisa asi mire kakra woni odi nkomo a mekura mini senko di ne ndoba bi ma ye wo fa se kantanka ebe na ne nansan ya ukoda ya ososo fa asama do nananom ehu no wa ya omde ma no se onyai eye na ofase na wale na oni ne ba no wa adwen ho emasu
so the same ho
kwan ne de mintimi hunu kwan ofaso sanse wo be ye sakura no oni ye anwen ho chia me oni ma anwen ho oni jase nyina anwen ho sana anwen oni na anwen ho konti hini ne mu se no oni ne ye na konti hina fa na adwena man ne kosi anwen kwa so ti anwen kwa oni mu anwen kwa su ban dwan tirinti oni ahoto
dabi menti ase na ma se na dwen ade me ne na ba ne na be ka bibia ma na si asese ya ahoboa be ware akola na fe
sese me dwinu hu be bia menti de fase unim se o de awale be ma branti wa ma na ba e de nsan brew ai bibi mo mi susu mi ni se na na nsan ma fo se me na na aye wo ko si aso ho we wo bia o ma na futu bia
o jeli se na na suma o
me nyini nka me ba
na we de menti ase che se ase ne sai de na pa kire
ene de obusa me na ase de o pese me nka de ase ne so me obusa me de ko ne ko busa na na wona wo fa se be wale ba ne mum ne kura ne se wo so ba o di tumpa ba ko bruni nsa ba ko woni wo anya nwisu ama ne ono pe ya wasa me akote ba ko a ye fa nka ho profit
ne che se nya agro na wo di
baba ba ga nde me de yi baba ko gum bomodi apaso wo kunya na se na nya oba afofra o de na makanzanka minim se bia na nanu wa sheda conscription am mo mo wo fa se ne tenten ne kase e bia na damage betimi apartment ne ba no so bia ne ntia
bibia si wa himfe wa na
nsi bibia nsi wale ya no so ma wo fa se ne nwale
wonim sana che dia sa fansa ne ko me ameba na na
mikura amum pa so akara ne wa kamenko se adwenboni ebe akura tirima otongu roba ni mo betimi dia man mato foforo nti wo de huntiri wa bana onu se atula no ho ofe yale kakra bi na wono so no kra mo guso a mo pa no adu nso okọ na chi reverse nyansa na akọ forward back nti se okọ na ni mu a otimi kọ na chi ya sasabu yale eno no ahututu adu bi atifa.
All right, Yakwaba, Yantwa, and Common. So, Director Kwaku Twumasi, and Yeneno, and Common on EnterChat, and Common. I had the baby, do not I had the because Papa, we moving that, you know, or Kahubi, and a gen and also. Well, Director, set now, Kase, and modern techniques are used here because the Yan you see a best year. And it's a Jumano, a Moana Moguno, and I feel most times, so now, sorry, they will say. Your mom pie movie industry no and san enya na so ade amagu no de e che na mo sa ko ba mom pie because mom mistakes
ejuma na call from engu ejuma na call from no yes, so many factors put together.
Okay,
like medical can say you try visit the watch instead of moving along with time no we decided to stay in our comfort zone until enoka home. And I be me tea, do so by intensive for some time. Until so butchering, when you like trying to cry a problem. Where we are now, but on why light you cry when you be until no the original one is in until people were not buying. And then economic hardship and other things in Nano. When you are the obedient, I don't know they are going to see and I feel no, not trending also by then it's moving from VCD sales to online.
Okay.
But now I get confused because all we know is that traditional thing we are why VCD is now their go market no at no Jessica. And I know a free ho. I call online. The people nipa no share down online papa how to make money out of online.
More producers
I mean industry players
okay.
Necessary how you can make money online no matter what they do. And that transition no ho kakra no if you want to hu the ebe no and I say Jumanico from because over VCD we be ka KJT a they can tomato but yento because they get their feed from somewhere. And the mobile phone they could no him no already seen also. And they also come home. But we are now picking up. We are picking up. I mean, Mr. Jumano, with the help of xylophone, funds now are provided. So if we all help them by paying back the money that are given to us, I think say definitely.
Yes, it's kind of with the mom a loan.
A loan without interest.
Oh, okay.
Amount 100,000 now. You pay back 100,000.
Oh, okay.
After 6 months or even 1 year.
Oh, okay.
No, what this kind of Kwaku Twumasi. And to say, and to me, I'm making use of this opportunity there. I don't know what will happen.
No. Obio industry
provided your script and other things, arrangements are being in the money.
Oh, okay.
It's like going to take money from the bank.
Oh, okay.
You need to convince the bank and say, this kind of money you'll be able to pay back. And that is what the board and our members at Xylophone are doing. Until you don't just pick any script and go there.
Okay.
Until you need to work on yourself. I think it's one of the good things they are doing. I mean, if we say, because they say, no, oh, yes, script, I saw say something that you can sell to convince somebody to finance it.
Well, that now, Nancy, yes, more copy more. Obinim was on one payment movie industry and saying, and also about saying, you say pipe on a bit my industry as I said, if
we are saying I want to be anyone pipe on the more year.
Oh, okay.
Always know, I'm say, my mentor, and I say, Obinim is somebody I know for a long time.
Oh, sir.
I talk to him privately and other things. Likewise, most of the people are more in him. Now I'm saying, yeah, but I they call on the pant, yes, papa. And then it beats me, I bet I but I know sweaty in public because we wanted to near say near my bill.
Okay.
Then we surprise a lot of people.
Okay.
So he's one of the people. I just say, and then the Becassa. No, I buy more.
Kukuamu ye movie no kukuamu asema na say more personal issues na mo de call.
Sa de na nyama so we jai because na ka ye and say I don't know to disclose this because now
but I say stories na ba no na okay we want to say
the actual story in here ko never came out. And I'm not prepared to share it with anybody.
Oh, sir.
They can keep the rumor going.
Oh, okay. But it's about the movie industry.
Yes, it was about the movie industry, but it was more like a welfare for needy and other things.
Oh, okay.
Which is now that I've converted into a personal thing because I realized that doing it with an organization or association will be difficult because in any opinion they all become until I brought the idea. Okay. Then I decided to do it on my own instead of going with the association. Okay. So I'm still working on it. I mean, say the foundation.
Now, is the industry now? Say, me say na Jaco say, most sideline we in free industry, my industry a call form. And I'm not sorry the bomb pie. Now Ghana movie best agent and as well. And empire, but now we in free minutes. So most I didn't bum here. Industry best agent and
most of you say what you'll be an energy. I believe in Angel Obinim of his spiritual abilities. Okay. Likewise, so many men of God that I don't need to mention here. But some can because near. There be a better one can I Bonibi, no be assembly, no be a cancer. But just imagine if these people were not there, the so-called prophets that we are saying they are false. Yes, I'm a false prophet. But I don't mean I know. Me determine say we. All I know is the works they do. I see them healing. I see them helping the poor. I see them praying. And I see them doing good. If this is not Christianity, then what is it?
Wait me, well,
the only thing that I see physically going on are these things. Okay. And these men are helping people. I have seen people who are sick, who got healed
from them.
And I mean, Jesus control physical things. Okay. And you know, of course, I don't have any problem with them, the person. I feel I have my pastor. My pastor is Pastor Victor Kusibuati.
Okay.
I mean, I take my guidance, I take counsels and other things from him.
Okay.
But that will not stop me from, if I believe I need to go to Obinim, Michael. Obinim is a good man.
Okay.
On only one sometime. And then maybe how I am my own.
Personally.
The man, people don't know him. And Tiana Nipa kind of wants him anyhow.
Obinim.
Yes. Personally, I have personal experience with him, but I'm waiting for the right time.
Okay.
To let the people know.
Okay.
The impact that he has made in my life.
Okay.
Likewise, Sofo Bedukobi.
Okay.
He's also one person.
Okay.
I mean, for the day, Obia no one no problem. Obia ye madam, Obia me feel say me corner sorry.
But omo ben omo pa mudin na waboboy.
Baby,
okay.
Almost all of them.
Okay.
I normally go there because you don't know what will happen.
Yeah.
God through them can do something in your life.
Okay.
And you won't change. That's what GDA different. Why should you want me to believe in what you believe in?
Okay. Obia any believe.
I mean, it's choices.
Okay.
We all have our choices.
Okay.
And I've made my choice. What is your problem with me? And FIPAG Babontin disclaimer and then was it necessary?
It's your choice.
Is it necessary? And I quite say, oh, Kuma won't pay for. Timothy, Kuma won't be a color. Me a Kuma would pay. Miracle Yakuma would pay. Mr. I've forgotten the full name, but we normally call him
okay.
Mr. Ajete. Omu I am paying for. Inti e call near Bassep Kuma wouldn't paying for Abassa say, why should you? We didn't mention FIPAG or we didn't mention but the Abba as elders
in the industry.
But you see, me and I don't want to waste time on those things. Me share that kwama monte me comment or we would. Yeah, I think we are on course. But they will continue to see me there.
Let me ask a question. Sometime we say na say we obeyare yeti na man for ka say obi na ye obi in the industry because there's no more elections be na election anka u gina mu pause nka orene na man for be here like be na nka so nko area bibi
enye no kre menye sure say nipa na ye me say
say industry say to tum ho drone ya de
well obi to dia me not me.
Oh, okay.
Me there, I don't know. I mean, I don't believe in those things. That is why you don't see me begging or lying or staying home. I'm still working. Yeah. Sometimes I dare and come in front of the camera.
Yeah.
And act. And you know, whatever happens, you don't look at the negative side of it.
Okay.
I look at the positive side. My life must go on.
Yeah.
And even now, I'm having a better life than maybe when I was not sick, you know. And this is, what I want to do is, I want to encourage anybody who find himself in my situation.
Okay.
Say at least they should help themselves up. Nobody is going to do that for you.
Okay.
Until one casano. That is why I want to come out with a foundation.
Okay.
Because I didn't have difficulty. And say at a point in time, medicine. And so
foundation is about
artists who are sick, who are in need.
Artists in the movie industry.
In the movie industry, the old ones. Maybe I know yare, the watching and now old age, maybe yes. And then what I want to do, movie am I necessary I ever out, fire in the White House.
Oh, okay.
Whatever I accrue from that money, some percentage is going to the fund as a seed money.
Okay.
Now, and also they are raising about substantial amount of money. Now, I feel pay people who to manage the fund.
Okay.
Now, yes, scanner but now, but we allow them to work with the money to make profits.
Okay.
So that will be area. And just so one 5 million to no jan but rather it may say a bit me Bobby big to be amount. Ama Buswani be at Tonyama, I bet you amount chop money.
Okay. Oh, good.
That is what we call help.
Yeah.
And yes, I bet only 10 million, 2 million bears on some.
Okay.
Free on Konasa.
Okay.
And that is what we want to do said they be at least nipa anidaso. And also I want to reach out to all people who are in my condition or in a different condition. Say Emma Yareno and count to all. And I say and you know all the time say I'm working fine and I'm in a man of my church. But that is not what I'm looking at. I'm looking at what I can do even in that stage.
Okay. I like
to help myself and help others.
All right.
And you know, and also I will start some documentaries on
the foundation,
the positives first that we can do to help improve ourselves.
All right.
Until I'm said Drew, I'm now spreading news so that people.
Yeah. Anytime I be free, because I think say I was seeing your
and no way is part of what we want to Obinim.
Oh, okay.
Because now you pay a more kakra. And also na ye why friendly. I bet me a corner work pay more. But then to me, make Johnny Panum say, "Yeah, best say."
Oh, okay.
But we're trying to do it to do a dinner and organize the prominent people in our society to come, so that we tell them, say, we don't like the idea of artists or old no original radio, so no Mayario, so that we can take care of those things. Say the bay we are younger, Nanka. Okay. Now you're taking care of paying for no. It's in paying for no, so no. Now be so but so Mantia saying, you know, I'm doing it on my own, and I think it works better this way.
Well, I think say what's your name be now? What in name be so say director I can't say be. I say I saw you no mo call hono the momoti no. No
matter whatever reason, we went there and from our hearts, and we'll go again.
You'll go again.
I'll go again.
Okay.
Because you man pesa me no krano. Say we dey continue pa.
Oh, okay. Okay.
Now is it a button?
No, it's not a button.
And he say if you want to talk.
All right. I'll see if you want to talk. Yeah, then come on. See her ne director Kwaku Twumasi na edi enkomo wakanse bebre nti ye ko director me pese o ma last words na fe no ye kra ahwefo na ye ko
yo we dey busafo am say normally you know some dem muti bebre, but normally one situation like me, my situation o yare bibinti what of form bibinti sembesi bibinti unye disabled by disabled. So we can say we take and go for no and and forget about what people are saying and make sure say you get up and do the little that you can do to better the corner you are. And you know we'll have a better life in future.
We will have a better life in future. Yadin Komano ABC ha because of time about mesha and so ya saying the show ebreo and amatadi amashani fefe a moose African clothing or more a buakwatano so kumase anyan kwanta omo ben champion house frɛ omo na omo pam oniama nyina emfama so ye wedding engagement wo pitch atade bia pama frɛ moose Africa o wa broche be bia wo bia no frɛ omo de niama no ebebre from 0558 410818 0558 410818 EnterChat so ena o share me dey and the fresh boy pop Jay-Z the entertainment ambassador and my producer DJ Texas and executive producer Poleeno Multimedia. Subscribe on YouTube and akwasi and so any handle camera no boy dwuma kama pa nyame boy be say share for another powerful interview.
If I shop na me share your bag.
Bra ade and nan so game.
Na tell me about me share me see you back queen why me say.
Bra said the time about Mesha esia Jimmy ni me fearful enya dia ba ko pe ebe so ye.
We dey do this so fani nyina.
Bra se me ka se me di time about Mesha ho dance ya. Riase nyina ebe te me nka. Enti se malaria wadra ni time about Mesha.
Enya nunko die nanum ato a wontumi anidie no. Wadra ni time about Mesha. Edre enye ma oba wa fa afuro. de wo ma akoda no fo ene akoda woni mfie dumienu ansa na obeto time heba Mr. Adro ibi no hwe se wako hospital anasa lab am wo hu se wo a 3-day malaria ibi ansa
and Crossway Food and Drugs Board for Ajiatu kayo se time ni TIME time herbal mixture afi malaria fever bi adani ziba ewo mu no ebetra